Why, hello guys! I was just sitting in my very clean apartment and I was like, what a great opportunity to tell them about my big scheme to make myself a book nook. So basically, since we moved into this apartment, I've been wanting to take one of these windowsills that you can see behind me and transform it into a little window seat. I love being in the same room as MURAT when we're both hanging out, but I don't always want to sit on the couch because it's a little too close when he's like playing games or doing whatever he does. So I really want to create my own little space. I used to sit on these a lot without any cushioning, but lately it's just been hurting my butt so much. And I can never sit there for more than like 20 minutes. So I'm going to go to Michael's, I'm gonna get all the supplies I need, and I'm going to cushion this baby up. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a dark green velvet or a sage green velvet. I'm not 100% sure which one, but I think either of those colors will look really great with my statement wall that I have over here against the TV. So that's the plan, and I'll take you along as we do it. I'm gonna show you the before right now, and then we're gonna head over to Michael's. Let's do it. Here's a little before for you. So obviously the plant will be moved. This little kind of tragic situation will be moved, and I'll probably level the books down a little bit, and the window seat is gonna go right there. I'll be back to show you the after. All right, we made it to Joann's. Chicago is apparently a barren wasteland of no fabric because I had to drive so far to get here. Like many Maggie Rogers songs to get to this Joann's. So here we are, we're gonna do it. I took my measurements at home of my window seat. I know what I need, and let's just hope I can find a really nice green velvet to make this happen. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's do it. I'm yours. Back from Joann's, here's what I got. 2 pillows, 16 by 16 for my weaving project. This one. I got this very random Christmas banner because I couldn't resist. It was 60% off, and it's so cute. Joann's is very dangerous. And then for the main event, I bought this beautiful fabric in a dark green velvet. It's very stretchy, so I think it'll work great. It's very thin, and that's gonna be the main color. And then finally, this giant piece of foam, and this is gonna be the cushion. Wait, you're cutting the wrong line. Aren't you? Or maybe you're not. No, sorry, you're not. Go ahead. I love you. So it's the next day. Murat and I went to Home Depot yesterday, looked at a bunch of paint samples, and I decided that I wanted to go more towards a sage green color to, first of all, incorporate the green, hi Gilmore Girls, incorporate the green of this wall and kind of bring it into this space but not have it be so matchy-matchy. And I like the idea of a lighter color because I think that will have a calming effect on the whole space. It's gonna be really cute. So the 3 colors I have up still are all green. I already took down a yellow and a pink, which I was just testing just to see, and I didn't like it, so green it is. I also just taped it off. Getting ready for painting, I pulled all the stuff out of my storage unit and we're ready to go. I just have to go back to Home Depot and actually pick the color. I'll show you the one I'm leaning towards. Here are the colors I'm looking at. I really think the top one is gonna be the move. It's very interesting because it looks so different during the day and at night. At night it's a lot darker, which I think could be really fun. My second choice is this one. It's called Breezeway. I think it's a little bit too blue. So yeah, I think Feng Shui is gonna be it. I'm yours. Okay, when I painted our living room, I pulled the tape up after it was dry and everything flaked and it was so terrible. So I'm going to try to do this now while the paint is wet. Please wish me luck. Product. I am so glad I finally did this project. I've been talking about making a window seat out of this for almost a year, no, more than a year. So it's finally done. I think it's so cute. I think this is a great example of taking your space as it is and making some unexpected choices to make it more accessible, more usable, and more unique to yourself. And this window seat is perfect. I'm so in love with it. I'm gonna use it all the time. And it's just really cozy and I love that it's all mine and I'm so glad I painted it. I think the color turned out really nice. It's super subtle. You can't see it from the door unless you're looking for it, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to overtake the space. And it's just nice. When I'm sitting there, I can tell that it's green. I know it's my space. And that's all I wanted out of this. To make the pillow, I used a weaving tutorial from Lone Fox. He has a channel here on YouTube and it's awesome. I use his tutorials all the time for home projects, so you should check it out. I'll link it below so you can do your own weaving. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you loved it. Give this video a like if you liked it, and leave me a comment if you like how it turned out. If you try this yourself, of course, come tag me. I would love to see it. It would make me so happy. My Instagram is @the_spines. Go check it out. And that's all. I hope you have a great day. Bye!